Invest 96L is continuing to develop off the coast of Virginia at this time. We have the latest from the NHC right now. So there we go. So there we go. So this is the 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time advisory. Recent satellite images indicate that a new and better defined center of circulation has developed in association with a low pressure area located about 250 miles east of Norfolk, Virginia. In addition, shower and thunderstorm activity is becoming more organized near its center. If these development trends continue, the tropical depression or tropical storm is likely to form later today or tonight, while the low moves towards the northeast or east northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour away from the United States mid-Atlantic and northeast coasts. The low is expected to transform into a non-tropical gale force low Saturday or Saturday night, while it is located south of Atlantic Canada, as it is likely to bring storm winds and heavy rain to portions of Newfoundland by Sunday and Sunday night. This part of Newfoundland was affected by Hurricane Larry not too long ago, so I'll be keeping a close eye on it. This system is also expected to bring high surf to portions of the mid-Atlantic and northeast coasts and Atlantic Canada through the weekend. Additional information on the system, including gale warnings, can be found at the high seas forecast issued by the NOAA Ocean Prediction Center. Chances are now up to 80% in the next 48 hours. They're still at 80% in the next 5 days. So that's a new development right there. We're going to go with the tracks and we're going to go to the intensity. So the tracks have it, like it said, moving east-northeast near Newfoundland, Canada, according to some models. Rest of them, after like 72 hours, just disregard them, because a lot of them are just mixed, and some of them have been going through loop-de-loops, others just bouncing all over the place. The CTCI, though, has it moving further to the south, which is pretty interesting, but I'll be keeping a very close eye on that. The intensity, we now have some models that could go up to hurricane force strength, but hopefully by that time it won't really be a hurricane. It'll be basically a gale. Basically, I can show you right here. It'll be a non-tropical gale force low. So so it won't really even be tropical. So there we go. Yeah, these are the tracks. These are the intensity. This is the back to the here. This is where that center of circulation may be right here. It's looking pretty interesting at this time. Looks a lot better than it did last update. It just took its time. It found a new center, and now it's taking advantage of it while it still can. So could we see development by the next advisory? I'll let you know. So be sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates.